Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make Nankathai, and for the ingredient in this bowl I have, let me show you, this is granulated sugar, semolina or suji, plain flour, baking powder, cinnamon powder and cardamom powder, and over here I have some vegetable oil and ghee. And what I'm gonna do is just take a spoon or just do by your hand and just mix everything, all the dry ingredient mixed first. There's no water added in this dish. In this Nankathai is one of my favorite that I absolutely love eating. I remember in the wedding this is what I used to eat, and I really hope in that wedding we are going to get Nankathai, and this is how much I love it. So now add the oil and the ghee, and I'm gonna just switch by hand in a bit, just mix everything so the flour and the oil can be together, and then when you start by hand you're not gonna get that messy in the hand. Okay, so now, and I also have a tray ready, and the tray, I have aligned the tray with parchment paper, and preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and as soon as we're done here we're just gonna go and bake them. And I'm just gonna switch by hand and we're gonna mix until everything comes together. And our dough has become together. And remember, do not add water at all in this dish, in this gâteau, in this Nankathai. And now we are going to divide this into, well, the size is really depend on you. You can, if you want to make it bigger, you can just do 6, 7, or you can do 8. So between 6 and 8. First I'm gonna do, like, divide this into 2 and 2 and another 2. So I'm doing 8 pieces and try to do them like equal, and you have to be able to roll them into balls just like that without any issue of breaking, because if you can't do this then it's gonna break as you're baking it. So just do round like this, and then arrange them on the tray, and I'm just gonna flat them a little bit, not too much. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna do the same to all of them, and they are going to pull up a little bit, comes a little bit bigger, so keep in mind to leave them apart from each other so they can have room to bake. Now what I'm gonna do is just take a spoon, and we're gonna use the back of the spoon, and just in the middle, gently, don't go too deep. We're just gonna create a little hole in the middle, just like that. And that's for later, that we are going to need some jam and almond. You can do only jam or you can do only almond. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna take the knife, and we're just gonna do a cut like that. And then this is going to bake in the oven for first 15 minutes. I'm gonna remove this, and then we're gonna add the jam and the almond, and then we're gonna put it back until it's done. Okay guys, I let the Nankathai bake for 20 minutes, and this is how it looks like after 20 minutes. And now we're gonna fill these little holes that we have created before with the jam. I'm using strawberry jam. You can use any jam you have. And guys, the tray is super hot, so just be careful don't let your hand touch the tray. And now I'm just gonna go put the almond on top of the jam, any way you wanna do it. Just like that. And then I'm gonna put this back in the oven to bake until nice golden brown, between 7 to 10 minutes. My Nankathai has been baked and there's a nice color in it. Smell is so good in here. And I will suggest, as your Nankathai is coming out the oven, just let it sit as is. Do not touch it, do not move it, because it's going to be very soft, and as soon as you move it, it will just break and become like powder. And so it's been like 10 minutes since I have removed the Nankathai, and you can see it is still like warm, and if I touch it, and this is what is going to happen. So let it dry, let it cool completely before you start serving it. Recipe ingredient will be down below in the description box. If you did like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, it is completely free, and hit this bell notification on the left of the bottom, and this will give you notification anytime I post new video. I will see you next time. Bye.